Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix the famous yellow light of death on the PlayStation 3. As just about everybody in the world knows, PlayStation 3's build quality is less than satisfactory and they're prone to overheating. So what I'm going to do here, as you see, it's quite a snowy day-ish. What you need to do is you need to fill the PlayStation with snow in order to prevent it from overheating. Now what I've got, you're going to need certain tools. You're going to need a drill, a couple of hammers, a couple of saws and some motor oil and an old carpet, because we don't want the oil to go everywhere. So I'm going to pass you to my assistant. He's going to film me. Now it's very important that you get plenty of ventilation. You're going to need to put the snow in. Broke my bit. Never mind. I got enough. If you do end up breaking the bit, if you just get some sawing it action, if the saw doesn't work for you, a bit of hammer, because you've got to be able to get into the case, because you'll be able to get the snow in. Obviously this hammer's no good, so a claw hammer is what you need to be able to open the case in an efficient manner, so that you can get, try not to cut yourself like I've done, but I think what you need to do here is get into the drive, okay. The next thing you do, this is where you need the carpet. You've got to make sure that you fill it with plenty of motor oil, because if you don't, the snow won't stick to the circuit board. So make sure that you cover every hole with motor oil. Make sure you get it here in the van, in the fan, you know, because everybody knows that oil keeps components and moving bits down. And then make sure you get a good bit of snow and rub it in, because everybody knows snow's cold and snow will stop it from overheating. Again, be careful not to cut yourself doing this. You don't want to get motor oil in your wounds, because that's not very good for humans. The only last thing to do is a couple of drop tests, because we don't want to interfere with the stability of the unit. So we need to make sure that it can withstand any sort of knocks. And this is good. This is really good, because now we can get more snow inside the PlayStation. Lots of beautiful snow. Oh. Make sure, again, that you rub it firmly in. And here we have it. PlayStation that no longer suffers the yellow light of death. Thank you.